Hello everyone, it is me ToKY. Welcome back to the series. If you didn't watch episode 1, do that. This series, we have a 10-minute time limit for each tower. And to make it easier for myself, it's allowed if you got kicked by beating it normally after. Last video we were in Purgatorio and beat 3 towers. This video, we are in Ring 1. Let's get into it and enjoy the video. First off we have Tower of Annoyingly Simple Trial, Tower of a Simple Time to start this off. Let's get this over with quick. Well, since this is an easy tower, there's no trouble in this, collecting our first tower in Ring 1 and a tower point. Does anyone else love this song? Anyway, ToKY time.
You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Hey, I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing.
Another one down. Let's move on to the medium section. Cool, we beat TOM. Alright, time for Tower of Heck and our first heart.
One thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down. Takes life away. It's so unreal. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on, didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
That's TOH down. Now it's time for Tower That Kills Your Joy. It really did trying to do this challenge. Oh look, we unlocked some new stuff.
Get off this game! Get off! daddy, we love to party.
Googity googity. Please be on me.
Our first difficult done, thankfully I didn't break my non-existent keyboard. That tower had me stressed. Also, this was never a challenging ever. Good they changed it to difficult.
Oh my god, bro.
But what the hell, bro?
Why did it take me an hour to beat a challenging tower? I'm so cooked. So, that's tour done. This is not harder than ToKY, by the way. So this is where the video ends. ToKY and Thanos Tower aren't possible to do in under 10 minutes. TT probably is, but I'm not good enough for a SC speedrun. If you were wondering where ToNI and TOTS was, since I had to finish this video in a rush, I couldn't beat ToNI and TOTS in time, to TS mainly being the difficulty and ToNI being hard to do in under 10 minutes. Next video I should have them in the start of the video, so don't worry. I would like to thank you for watching my video, especially to the end. I hate to be the one to ask this, but if you want to support me in this journey, please hit the like button. Well, next video is Forgotten Ridge, so, see you then, but for now, bye.